Hi, Nguyen. Nguyen, can you hear me, Nguyen? Nguyen, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher. Good evening.
Okay, I will share to you now. Wait me, Nguyen, ha? Sorry, Nguyen. My internet for today is so loading, so I cannot show the video. Okay, so sorry. I need to refresh all over. Okay, so this one we are done, right? Do you remember? Nguyen, we are done with this. Rubber, steel, stone, wood. Oh, we are done with this, right? This one, Nguyen, finished.
Yeah.
Okay, this one we are done. And this one too. Okay, this one. Okay, are we done with this? Okay. Please try to look at the language for describing technology. Complete the phrases with the words below. Okay, example. Okay, you have describing the, Nguyen, describing technology. Example, power. Power. It is, it's mains, powered battery, solar power, it's cordless, rechargeable. Construction. Okay, what will be the thing that you will, the word that you will use in here, number two? Please use in the green box, Nguyen, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay? Done mo yan? Pasok mo yan?
Wait me.
Okay. Why do you fill me up?
Infinite, teacher.
Okay, so we have here, we are now in constructions. It is made of mostly of glass, steel, etc. It got wheels, a long handle, triangular base, okay, square lid. Okay, how about the use? We use it to allows you to. Okay, now listen to the dialogue. Okay, listen here. We have dialogue. Which phrases from task 4 do the people use? Okay, let us skip this one. Okay, let us have here zero conditional. Please complete the zero conditional. We have here the zero conditional. We use the zero conditional nguyen to talk about causes and effect. What are the causes and what are the effect? That is the usage of zero and zero conditional. Okay. Causes and effects which are always true. Like and you say, if you heat aluminum, it melts. Okay, that is causes. What is the effect? If you heat the aluminum, of course, it's true, right? It melts, right? If you heat aluminum, the effect is it melts, and this is true. Okay, a light comes, a light comes on if there is no Wi-Fi signal. A light comes on, there's tick, 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 it's color red. A light comes on color red if there's no Wi-Fi signal. Okay, this is the cause. What is the cause? Why there is a light comes on? Because there is no Wi-Fi signal. Okay, you understand? There is no Wi-Fi signal. Okay, next one. Okay, please try to study this one. Ano ba yun? Yun. Ano itong gumay na to? Kaya nga. Ano ba? Ha? Ano ito nagkaon?
I'm finished.
Okay? If you, okay, press this button, the plug appears. Ah, number two, please read. Number two, Nguyen. Number two, please read.
Why don't you need to put it away if friend come to visit?
Addition picture. Okay, two. Okay, come. Ang addition picture niyo. Three. Post. Four. It goes. Goes mo yan because it is singular. You have the word goes. If you wave your hand once, it mo yan, gets mo yan. There's S because it is only one. Singular mo yan. Mo yan. Do you understand me? If you
Okay,
use
teacher.
it, get, go, singular. It gets, singular again. Okay, here. You read the text. Do you think the Mars One project is a good idea? Give reasons for your answer. Okay, you read the text, and then after that one, you tell me if the Mars One project is good, is the good idea. Okay, you can write your answer in the chat box. Done mo yan? I think Mars 1 is not a good idea. Okay. You tell me the reason why. Why do you think it is not a good idea? Okay. You write your answer.
Infinite teacher is on a chapel.
Let me check. Okay, so we have here, because I don't like the gravity there. Ah, the Mars One project. What is this project, Nguyen? This is the project is planning to send people to Mars to live there apparently, permanently. My God. The idea of living on other planets clearly appeals to a lot of people because over 200,000 individuals wants to take part in the mission. Oh my God. But how will the settlers adjust to the condition in the Mars? Here are some of the problems that they will face. Okay, when they will be in Mars. Okay, it's very hard. Okay, first, the atmosphere consists of 95% carbon dioxide and almost no oxygen, right? So if you go to Mars, 95% carbon dioxide, no oxygen. The settlers will have to cope up with very low temperatures, similar to Antarctica, and very high level of ultraviolet radiations. My God. Gravity is only 38% of that on Earth. We need to learn more about the effects that would have on their bodies. Okay, another, Mars rovers have already searched for water on Mars but have found none that is in liquid form. So there is no water in Mars. So it's very impossible to have water. Okay. So the plan is to send another rover to Mars in 2018. Its job will be to prepare for the arrival of the first four only ha, four settlers in 2005. Or in 2025, there will be two settlers to send in Mars. Oh, it will construct houses like this, okay, for inhabitants with supply of fresh air, water, and solar power like this. Okay, so there are four. So there are four, okay, settlers with a supply of fresh air, water, and solar power.
Không có lại.
After that, four more settlers will arrive every 2 years. Oh, so every 2 years, there will be four settlers will arrive. How long will the settlers stay? How long, Nguyen? It's very hard to stay there. Nobody knows. The voluntary settlers will get a one-way tickets. It may be possible to bring them back to Earth at some point in the future, but there is no guarantee. Oh my God. So they have tickets, one-way tickets only. The volunteers will get a one-way ticket. It may be possible to bring them back to Earth at some point in the future, but there is no guarantee. And they don't know. Because in Earth, in Mars, these are the things that they will going to face the problem. 95% carbon dioxide, no oxygen. Okay. And then the settlers will have cope up with that temperature, low temperatures, similar to Antarctica. Oh my God, very cold. And very high level of ultraviolet radiations. Gravity is only 38%, not on Earth. So we need to learn more about effects. And there is no water. Oh my God, that's very hard. Okay. Look at the highlighted word, Nguyen. Okay. Find 6 more to with 4, 1 with about, 1 with of, 1 with to, and 1 with. Okay, please understand. Example, find 6 more. Okay, prepositions and collocation. This one. Okay, this one. Okay, adjust to. Okay, we have adjust to. Okay, we have the word to. Another, we have the word consist of. Okay, we have the word of here. Okay, we have adjust to, the word with to, and the word with of. Okay, please underline the other.
Why me? I don't know, teacher. I don't know another one.
Okay. So another here we have to cope up with another. Okay. Learn more about from the word about. Okay. Search for. This is the word for. And prepare for. Look at mo yan. And okay, that's all. Okay. So, Nguyen, teacher Ann, don't have enough time for now. Oh, I will see you tomorrow. But Nguyen, maybe I will chat you tomorrow if we can have the class earlier. Like, can we have class at around 5 p.m.?
No, teacher. Tomorrow I have
30
a
p.m.
football club. I have a football club at school, teacher.
What time you are free tomorrow?
I'm free from
Like
7, teacher.
8:30 p.m. 8:30 p.m. Are you okay? 8:30.
8:30 is okay.
I will see you tomorrow. Okay, bye. Bye, Nguyen. I will message you tomorrow, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Bye-bye.